Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best drone review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. RC D13 Professional Drone. The D13 comes with a large 4.5-inch display built directly into the remote, so you don't need to connect your phone. You can see the live FPV camera view instantly, making flying much easier and more convenient. This drone features 3 HD cameras with dual camera switching, allowing you to capture aerial photos and videos from multiple angles. The main camera also supports 90-degree remote adjustment, so you can easily change the shooting angle while flying. The D13 includes optical flow positioning, which helps the drone hover steadily even for beginners. It also uses a 6-axis gyroscope to keep the flight smooth and balanced. Another great feature is 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance, which helps detect obstacles around the drone and improves flight safety. The drone is powered by brushless motors, which are quieter, more powerful, and more durable compared to traditional motors. It also offers 3 speed modes, so both beginners and experienced pilots can enjoy flying. The drone runs on a 3.7-volt 2200 mAh battery, giving you around 15 minutes of flight time per charge. You also get useful features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, gesture photo and video control, LED lights, and real-time 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Overall, the RC D13 drone is a great choice if you're looking for an affordable drone with a built-in screen controller, stable hovering, obstacle avoidance, and multiple camera angles. Number 4. Aliexpress V168 Pro Max GPS Drone. The V168 Pro Max comes with a 4.5-inch LCD screen remote control, so you can see the drone's live camera feed instantly without needing to connect your smartphone. This makes flying much easier and more convenient. This drone features a dual camera system with an 8K adjustable lens, allowing you to capture wide aerial views and detailed shots. The camera can also be remotely adjusted up to 90 degrees, giving you more flexibility for different shooting angles. The drone includes 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which helps detect surrounding objects and avoid collisions while flying. This feature is especially helpful for beginners. The drone can automatically track your movement. It also supports GPS return to home, so the drone can safely return when the battery is low or the signal is lost. The V168 Pro Max uses brushless motors, which provide stronger power, smoother flights, and better durability. It also offers optical flow hovering, keeping the drone stable in the air. The drone supports 5G image transmission with a range of up to 3 to 5 kilometers, allowing you to capture amazing aerial footage from long distances. The drone runs on a 7.4-volt 2000 mAh smart battery, giving you around 10 to 20 minutes of flight time depending on usage. Overall, the V168 Pro Max GPS drone is a great choice for anyone looking for a drone with smart tracking, obstacle avoidance, long-range transmission, and an easy-to-use controller with a built-in screen. Number 3. SUD's S156 RC Drone. The S156 has a foldable quadcopter design and weighs only about 70 grams, making it extremely lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. It also comes with a 4.5-inch screen remote controller, so you can see the live camera feed without needing to connect your phone. This drone supports 4K video recording and features a dual camera system with a wide 180-degree viewing angle, allowing you to capture wide landscapes and aerial shots from different perspectives. The drone includes optical flow positioning and a 6-axis gyroscope, helping it hover more smoothly and making it easier for beginners to control. The S156 also includes GPS-based functions like Smart Return to Home, which helps the drone automatically return when the signal is lost or when the battery is low. In terms of battery performance, it comes with a 3.7-volt 1800 mAh battery, giving you around 12 to 15 minutes of flight time depending on conditions. The drone also supports Wi-Fi FPV transmission, allowing you to view live footage directly from the drone while flying. Overall, the S156 RC Drone is a solid option for beginners and hobbyists who want an affordable drone with 4K camera capability, smart flight features, and an easy-to-use controller with a built-in display. Number 2. Potensic Atom Drone. The Atom SE weighs under 249 grams, which means in many countries you can fly it without needing special drone registration. It's also compact and foldable, so you can easily take it with you anywhere. This drone comes with a 12-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor that can record 4K video at 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization, also known as EIS. Your footage looks much smoother even when the drone is moving. The Atom SE is equipped with brushless motors, giving it strong power, quieter operation, and better durability. It also offers level 5 wind resistance, which means it can stay stable even in moderately windy conditions. One of the best features is the 29-minute maximum flight time per battery, which is excellent for a drone in this price range. The drone also includes GPS smart functions such as return to home, follow me, and waypoint flight, making it much easier to capture cinematic aerial shots. The Atom SE supports up to 4 kilometers of video transmission, giving you plenty of distance to explore and capture amazing aerial views. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE is a fantastic drone for beginners and casual creators who want stable 4K footage, long flight time, and smart GPS features without spending a fortune. Number 1. Aliexpress K19 MAX GPS Drone. The K19 MAX comes with a foldable body, making it super portable and easy to carry in your bag. Despite its small size, it looks very premium and solid. One of the highlights is the dual camera system with support for up to 8K photo resolution and HD video recording. It also includes electronic image stabilization, helping you capture smoother aerial shots. The drone features GPS positioning, which means you get smart functions like one-key return, low battery return, and automatic return when the signal is lost. That makes flying much safer, especially for beginners. The remote controller is also interesting because it includes a large screen display, so you can see the live camera feed directly without needing your phone. The drone uses brushless motors, which means stronger power, better wind resistance, and quieter operation. It also has a 2,200 mAh battery, giving you about 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The K19 MAX supports 5G image transmission with a range of up to 3 kilometers, so you can explore and capture amazing aerial views from far away. Overall, the K19 MAX GPS drone is a great option for beginners and hobbyists who want an affordable drone with smart features like GPS, obstacle avoidance, and high-resolution cameras.